Who is hiding? Can you see? Peekaboo, don't be late. Let's play bubble hide and seek. Baby shark says close your eyes. What? Count to 5, no peeking, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I dive. Bubbles floating all around. One's hiding, make no sound. Hide, hide, where are you? In a bubble, big or blue? Oh, no. Look around and take a peek. Let's play bubble hide and seek. One big bubble, wobble, wobble. Is it mommy? Tiny giggle. Pop, it bursts. Oh, what a trick. It's just daddy doing a flip.
Okay, everyone, let's play hide and seek.
Guess, guess, try a blend. Was it shark or was it friend? Pop, pop, quick and sleek. Keep on playing hide and seek. 3 small bubbles side by side. Is that baby trying to hide? Pop, 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 oh what a sound. Just little fish jumping around. Everyone laughs, that's so funny. Look, look everywhere. Someone's hiding where? Oh, where? Big or small, fast or slow. Find the shark before they go.
7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Ready or not?
One huge bubble floats so high. Who is that up in the sky? Baby shark shouts, it's not me. But wait, inside, who could it be? Pop, surprise appears. Grandma shark with party cheers. Surprise, surprise, what a peek. Grandma wins at hide and seek. Clap your fins and laugh out loud. That was funny, wow, so proud. Now it's baby's turn to hide. In a bubble, I will glide. He hides quiet, small and neat. Can you find me? Tap your feet. Mom looks, daddy spins. Where is baby? Who will win? Pop, I'm here, he shouts with glee. And found, we did it.
Hooray, baby shark is here.
Baby shark was super quick. Clap, clap, shout hooray. Let's all play again together. Peekaboo, 1, 2, 3. Play again with family. Hide and seek is full of fun. Bubbles shining in the sun. Five little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and bumped his knee. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, no more monsters jumping on the bus. Riding on the bus, riding on the bus. No more monsters jumping on the bus. Honk, honk, beep, beep. 4 little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and broke the wheel. The driver called the fairy, and the fairy said, stop the monsters rocking the bus. 3 little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and broke the horn. The driver called the dragon, and the dragon roared, stop these monsters breaking the bus. 2 little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and tore the seat. The driver called the mermaid, and the mermaid said, no more riding on this shaky bus. 1 little monster was riding on a bus. He jumped off and cracked the bus. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, fix the bus, fix the bus, fix the bus, let's fix the bus. Clap, 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 they fixed the bus. Yay, yay, yay! All the monsters helped to fix the bus. Now it's shining without any fuss. The driver la la